Hello guys, and welcome to the video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find out what theme or site is using. Okay, so if you happen to come across a WordPress website while browsing the internet and you're trying to figure out what theme is being used on the WordPress site, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a few methods that you can apply to find out what theme the site is using. So we're going to be using this article as a guide. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can use this as a guide when you're trying to find out what theme or WordPress site is using. So I'm just going to scroll down. There are basically three methods. The first would be using a third-party website like IsItWP or WP Detector. Okay, so I'm just going to open this in a new tab and show you how it works. So basically, all you need to do is enter the URL of the site and it's going to tell you what theme the WordPress site uses. So we're just going to use our demo site as an example. I'm going to copy and paste this here and click on Analyze Website. Okay, so if you look over here under the WordPress theme details, you're going to see that the theme being used here is 2021. Okay, so this is a very quick and efficient way of finding out what theme a WordPress website is using, and it also gives you some extra information like plugins, if any plugin is active on the site. So one thing to note about this method is it doesn't always work. So there are some cases that IsItWP will not be able to detect the WordPress theme. Okay, so in case that happens, you can try the second method. So I'm just going to close this, and for the second method, you can go ahead and check the footer of the theme or the website. Okay, so a feature of many WordPress themes is this branding at the bottom here. So this is powered by Astra WordPress theme. So this is telling us that the theme being used by this website is Astra. Okay, so it's not something that you always come across, but sometimes it saves you a lot of time. Just check the footer. And if you still can't find the theme being used, you move on to method 3. So using the third method, all you have to do is view the source code. So this is a bit advanced, but I'm going to try to explain this as simply as possible. So you go over to the site that you're trying to find out what theme they're using. You right click and you click on view page source. Okay, or you can just press Ctrl U. So once you click on this, it's going to take you to the source code for the home page. So just use your keyboard and press Ctrl F, so that triggers the search bar here. Just type in style.css. okay, style.css. So the two results coming up here, we have one from a plugin and we also have another one from a plugin. So the reason why you want to use this search feature is so it can get you over to where these style sheets are listed. So if you look carefully at the style sheet here, you're going to see the name of the theme, which is Astra, just from the URL. Okay, so this is just a simple way of finding the name of a theme. So the name of the theme is always going to be part of the URL. And in some cases, you'll be able to find the main style.css file for the theme and detect the theme name from the CSS file. Okay, so I'm just going to show you an example. Astra doesn't do this with their code, so I'm going to change the theme to another theme and demonstrate what I'm trying to explain. So I'll go over to appearance and let's change the theme to 2021. Okay, and I'm going to refresh this page so we get the new CSS. Okay, so now as you can see here, we have style.css for this theme. So just click on style.css here, and at the top here you're going to see the theme name and the URL to the theme, the author, and other information. So if you're not able to detect the exact name from the URL, you can look for this main style.css file, and normally you're going to find the name of the theme from here. Okay, so there are a lot of different ways of finding out the name of the theme being used by a WordPress website. You can use any of these 3 methods, and one of these should work. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you have any questions about this tutorial, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below, and subscribe to our channel for more content. With everything covered for this video, I'll see you guys in the next one.